I'm Eric Trine, and welcome to my home in Long Beach, California. This is my laboratory and incubator for figuring out how design works in a family home. We bought this house a little over a year and a half ago, went through a 6-month renovation process, and now we've been living in it for about a year. So come on in and let's check it out. Once you come through the door and you make that slight turn, this kitchen becomes kind of a big reveal, and it's a big reveal to us every day when we step into our house, when we come out of the hallway and start our day. The form is very simple. Flat paneled cupboards, simple movements with the tile, but then we add color. We decided rather than leaving the color just for our accessories, we wanted to actually land that in the space with the color of the cupboards and also the backsplash. So even if we removed all of the small stuff, you walk into the space and it feels bright and lively, but also comfortable and accessible. What we did with the dining room is we dropped in a chandelier. That always creates a signifier that, hey, this is a dining table, this is a dining room. Another way we created that division in space is by dropping in a rug under the table. Though we may refer to this table as the dining table, it really is just the table. It's the everything table. That's the way that we use it in our daily lives. It's for crafting, breakfast, working on the computer, homework. It's just the table in the center of our home where we all can gather around. The challenge of working on a renovation at the scale that we did is that we were met with the anxiety of having to have all the answers for how we wanted it to look up front. And we realized halfway through the process that that really wasn't working for us. It wasn't about having a complete vision from the outset. It was about having a vision that was strong enough for us to move in and figure out how to live here. Famous designer once said, "A chair isn't finished until you sit in it. It's kind of like a home. It's not finished until you actually live in it."